Alright, let's look at the homework 6.5, problem number 10. We want to find the average value of this given g function. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we want to find the average value, so g average. Alright, so in this case a is 0, b is 2, so it's going to be 1 over b minus a is going to be just 2, so 1 over 2. And the integral is going from 0 to 2. Then function is 15. I should probably put 15 over here. Then you have x squared and square root of 1 plus x cubed with respect to x. Alright, so let's use a substitution here. I'm going to let u be 1 plus x cubed. Then if you take the derivative of that, du over dx is equal to 3x squared. Then we can take the reciprocal of both sides. You get dx over du is equal to 1 over 3x squared. Then we can just multiply through by du to isolate dx. So dx is equivalent to du over 3x squared. Alright, and also we have to convert the x value. So x is going from 0 to 2. So we have to turn it into a u value. So plug in 0, so what's 1? And plug in 2, 8, so it's 1 to 9. Right, so this is going to be equal to 15 over 2, and the integral is going from 1 to 9. Then I'm going to leave x squared as it is. Right, then we decided to call this expression inside the square root u, so it's going to be square root of u. Right, dx is same as du over 3x squared. Alright, so we can cancel x squared here on top and x squared there. And also we can cancel 3 here on the bottom and 15, so that will give us 5 there. Alright, then also we want to maybe we should clean it up. So I'm going to just clean them up. So you have a 5 halves. Alright, then you have an integral from 1 to 9. And I don't like square roots, so I'm going to write it as a 1/2 power, which is equivalent. And then with respect to u. Alright, then we have 5 halves, it's there still. And antiderivative, so add 1 to the power. So it's going to be 3 halves. Then divide by 3 halves is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. So I'm going to put that. And then goes from 1 to 9. Alright, so we can cancel 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Then I can probably pull 3 outside. So you're going to have 5/3. Then we plug in 9 first. 1/2 power is square root, so it's going to be 3. Then cube it, so it's 27 minus plug in 1, so it's going to be oh, actually I messed it up, didn't I? Alright, so this is 5 over 3, so instead of 9. Right, so that's that. And then we'll put 1 here, so it's going to be 1. Alright, so we have let's see, 5 times 28, so 5 times 8 is 40. And 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 140 over 3. Alright, so that's the average function value. Alright, so let's type this guy in. So we got the 140 over 3. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, I actually messed it up, so it's not 28, 26, sorry. So 26 times 5 is 30, so it's a 130 over 3. Alright, so that is the average value. Sorry about that. Alright, so it's 130 over 3. So check, submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.